Okay. In AM, we had the diagram like this. In single tone modulation, we had the diagram like this. Origin, S of F, Y axis, origin at plus Fc, at minus Fc, we had some pillars, and the pillar is AC by 2 carrier component, and then on the left side AC by 2. Okay, this is minus Fc. And plus Fc plus Fm, okay, Fc plus Fm, then Fc minus Fm, Fc minus Fm. We had again pillars, which is AC mu by 4, AC mu by 4, and on the left side also similarly, this is minus Fc plus Fm, and on the left side it is minus Fc minus Fm, and the pillars are AC mu by 4 and then AC mu by 4. Okay, and we also given names for them. AC by 2, the center peak height, maximum height. This is carrier component. This is also carrier component. And if we add carrier components together, okay, it is AC by 2 plus AC by 2. So finally it is AC. So if we calculate carrier power, PC, carrier power, okay, and RMS value we have to take, it is total AC divided by root 2 whole square. Okay, this is the amplitude divided by R. Generally, power is nothing but, okay, voltage square divided by R. And here I am taking RMS value, okay, RMS value. If I take R value equal to 1, then power is nothing but Vrms square divided by 1. Vrms square divided by 1. Okay. Similarly, if I take R value 1, this AC is nothing but voltage only. Y axis, it is nothing but voltage only. AC height is voltage. Now this will become AC square divided by 2 is the carrier power. AC square divided by 2 is the carrier power. Now, next I will go with the upper side band. This is USB upper side band. Okay, this is lower side band. Again, this is upper side band. Again, this is lower side band. Okay, if I go with upper side band, I have AC mu by 4. Again, AC mu by 4. Okay, this is the total of both. Okay, total height of both upper side band. USB power calculations we are doing. Okay, this is the total height, and what I have to do for RMS value means divided by 2. First I will do like this. First I will take upper side band, what is the total height, then I will go with the power. Okay, upper side band, what is the voltage or strength of the signal, height of the signal or strength of the signal, total. And this is nothing but AC mu by 2. Now I will calculate the power in the upper side band, which becomes the maximum height divided by root 2 whole square divided by R, voltage square divided by resistance. If I take R value equal to 1, this will become AC square mu square by 2 square is 4, root 2 square is 2, 4 into 2 is 8. This is upper side band power. Okay. So here we are assuming R equal to 1. Okay. Similarly, I will go with lower side band also. Lower side band, the height. Okay. Both sides, the lower side band height. Again, it is AC mu by 4 and AC mu by 4, and total height is AC mu by 2. Okay. Now the power in lower side band, it is AC mu by 2 total height. RMS power means divided by root 2 whole square divided by R. If I simplify, this will become AC square mu square by 8. AC square mu square by 8, assuming R equal to 1. Okay. So now total side band power, upper plus lower side band power. I will go with total side band power. Okay. So PSB, total sideband power, is upper sideband power plus lower sideband power, which is nothing but AC square mu square by 8. Once again, AC square mu square by 8. Okay. So, which is AC square mu square by 4. AC square mu square by 4. Okay. Now, what is the total power? What is the total power of this AM in amplitude modulation? What is the total power? Carrier power plus sideband power. Carrier power plus sideband power. Okay. So, carrier power already we calculated AC square by 2. Sideband power now we calculated AC square mu square by 4. And if we take some common parameters, AC square by 2 is common, and we have 1 plus mu square by 2. 1 plus mu square by 2. This is the total power. I can also write this AC square by 2 as carrier power into 1 plus mu square by 2. Carrier power into 1 plus mu square by 2. Okay. So all these are very important formulas. All these are very important formulas. So carrier power equal to AC square by 2, and then total sideband power is AC square mu square by 4, and then total power. Okay, total sideband power is different, total power is different. You can see in the diagram what is the total sideband, what is the total power. Okay, total power means it is sum of carrier power plus sideband power. Sum of carrier power plus sideband power. Equation 1 and 1A are very important. Equation 1 and 1A are very important. Okay. Now what I will do, I will calculate how much is the sideband power with respect to total power. Okay. So we have equations for sideband power, we have equations for total power. Now I have one more parameter which is called efficiency. One more parameter which is called efficiency in AM, amplitude modulation. In AM, amplitude modulation, efficiency equal to sideband power by total power. Sideband power by total power. You can see sideband power, the last line left side, last line left side. This is the sideband power, AC square mu square by 4. AC square mu square by 4. Okay. So I will use that AC square mu square by 4. Okay. Divided by total power, you can see equation number 1A. Total power, you can see equation number 1A. Okay. And here I have PC into 1 plus mu square by 2. PC into 1 plus mu square by 2. Now, denominator PC also I will substitute the related, okay, carrier power. What is the equation? AC square by 2. Carrier power, I will write AC square by 2. Then I have 1 plus mu square by 2. Okay, AC square will get cancelled. 1, 2 will also get cancelled. So I am left out with mu square by 2 divided by 1 plus mu square by 2. I will make LCM. Numerator is mu square by 2. Denominator is 2 plus mu square divided by 2. Okay. This 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Finally, efficiency is nothing but mu square divided by 2 plus mu square. Okay. Efficiency. If we want efficiency in percentage, we have to multiply with 100. Efficiency in percentage, we have to multiply with 100. Okay. So this is about efficiency, how much the amplitude modulation is efficient in converting a low frequency message signal to high frequency carrier signal. This formula is very, very important. Okay. And the background derivation in online exam, we will not ask. If it is offline, these 2 steps of calculation also required. Okay. So whatever important I am telling you, I will make this as equation 2. We have seen equation for carrier power, total power. We have seen equation for total power, equation 1A. Okay. And we have seen equation for efficiency also. We have seen equation for efficiency also. Okay. So now what I will do, I told the value of mu can be 0 to 1, maximum possible. Okay, maximum in most of the cases used. In most of the cases used, modulation index value will be 0 to 1. Most of the cases used, modulation index value will be 0 to 1.